Oh.
How do what? Yes. Push. No. What?
My God, how are you guys doing this?
How? This is the wrong game.
Coffee cup! Coffee cup! Oh.
What the heck?
No, bad.
Wow.
What is going on?
Please.
Okay.
Fuck. Oh shit, no, fuck.
Come on.
This is hard.
Guys, it's bad. It's bad. I'm just gonna say this. It's bad.
God, this is a workout. Put your back into it.
Oh. God.
Okay. I'm figuring something.
I don't remember
out.
this game. What just happened?
Nothing. Had to be there.
What the
Had to
hell?
be there.
She said, had to be there.
Oh.
You bitch. Sorry. So bad.
Okay, that's fine. It's playable. I can work this out. Just gotta.
What the?
Well, hey, guys, let's make sure we don't play this for more than 2 hours, huh? How about?
No, how about we end at 8:30?
Okay, 8:30. Yeah, my
8:30.
arm is tiring.
My
we'll see
arm
who
and
gets
my
left.
eyes.
Sorry. Just
How do you-
tough.
She can't do it.
Not the damn paddle.
I'm at the hot tub.
Bro is
God, she's
speedrunning
actually
the
good at this
game.
game. No.
What happened?
We have a chance. We have a chance. That's all I know.
I fell at the beginning.
No, you
all I
didn't.
know.
Wait, you can fall to the beginning? We have
Yeah,
a chance.
you-
There's only 10 minutes left. There's only 10 minutes left.
We have a chance.
I'm
We have a
about to
chance.
fall.
Please.
I.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Come
Yes. Steady.
What?
on. That part's just so hard. I don't know how.
Yes.
I don't know if that was better.
Oh.
Oh, you can do that? Is that
No.
good?
Okay. What is that sound?
Oh shit.
What is that?
What the? Hey, guys, I'm at the lamps.
Yeah. Happy for you, man.
To die here for sure.
God, it's hard. It's so
Oh
hard.
God!
Please. Bro.
Oh, everything.
Please. Just hook on.
Okay.
Please. Yes. Sarah!
It's 8:30.
Oh my God, it's so what? Who built this?
The lamps. I'm at the lamps.
I'm at the after the lamps, around the
No.
cliff, up to the concrete wall,
Oh
about
my
to
God, she's too good. Are we still Are we playing something else? Or?
Yeah. I quit the game. I quit the game.
anytime. I can quit.
I quit now for one particular reason, and it's not because I'm at the beginning or anything.
Wait a minute.
Monka.
You went back to the beginning?
Oh God.
Yeah, I fell.
Oh God.